Are you stuck on 4.5G on your phone and you don't seem to know how to reduce it to 3G or even 2G? This is how to do it. This is done on Oukitel C33 and the Android version is Android 13. So let's go to settings, network and internet, SIMs and Glo SIM. Then I'm going to go down to preferred network type. You can see that I have 4.5G selected and it doesn't give me the option to choose any other network type. And this 4.5G consumes a lot of data. In case you don't want to use it, this is what you need to do. Just head on to your phone dialer and dial this code *#* 4636 #* and it brings out testing for you. Just go to phone information. Then here at the select phone index, you have two SIMs to select. So I'll be using phone 1, which is my Glo SIM. So when I come down to select network type here, you can see that I have LTE selected. So if I want to reduce it to 3G, all I simply do is to click on that, then come down and choose either GSM only or WCDM only. So what I do is, if I choose GSM only, it's going to take me to 2G. If I choose WCDMA only, it's going to take me to 3G. So let's try the 2G first. So I choose GSM only, as you can see. Then if you come here, under my download bandwidth and upload bandwidth, it's going to adjust. It's currently showing 30,000 and 15,000. And if you look at the network type, it's showing GSM. So let's wait for the bandwidth to adjust. So under data network type, you will see Edge. Voice network type, you will see GSM. And if you look at the download link bandwidth and the upload link bandwidth, you have 70 and 18. And if you go over to our settings and you come down to network type, you see 2G only selected there, despite having 4.5G here. Edge, GSM, we're talking about 2G. So let's move over to 3G. I go up, change this GSM. I choose WCDMA only. And I come up here. So you can see data network type HSPA, voice network type HSPA. Now let's go check the network. As you can see, it just updated to 3G despite having 4.5G here as well. Now let's switch over to 4G. For 4G, I'm going to look for LTE only. I'll look at data network type LTE, voice network type LTE, and for the bandwidth for download and upload, look at, we have 30,000 and 15,000 respectively. So let's go back and check the network type, and here it has switched to 4G network despite showing 4.5G. So this is how you can switch from 2G, 3G and 4G when your phone is only giving you 4.5G option. You can also switch a combination of 2G, 3G and 4G. Depends on your preference. Like the first one here, GSM and WCDMA preferred. This will enable your phone to be between 2G and 3G mode. And when you have it at GSM stroke WCDMA auto, your phone will switch between the two networks. You can see, so it's going to switch between 3G and 2G, and that is on automatic. Now if you want your phone to switch between the three network, which is 2G, 3G and 4G, whichever one is available, then you have to choose combination of GSM, WCDMA and LTE in one. For example, this one you have here. And when you do that, go back and check, you can see that it is now on 4.5G. we still have others such as this LTE, stroke CDMA, stroke EVD, stroke GSM, stroke WCDMA. Let's see, that gives us LTE, and that is recommended. So you can choose whichever speed you want, whichever one suits your browsing experience. So that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.